I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. Today we will learn GDP calculation using the production or value-added approach. The value-added approach says that gross domestic product is the sum of value added at each stage of production. In simple words, value added is sales minus the cost of intermediate inputs. So the full GDP equation becomes gross domestic product equals the sum of value added across all firms and stages. Let's build a simple production chain. A farmer sells wheat to a miller, the miller sells flour to a baker, and the baker sells bread to consumers. Now, let's add the sales values. The farmer sells wheat for 100, the miller sells flour for 180, and the baker sells bread for 300. Now, we compute value added at each stage. The farmer has no intermediate inputs, so value added is 100 minus 0, which is 100. The miller's value added is 180 minus 100, which is 80. The baker's value added is 300 minus 180, which is 120. Finally, we sum all value added. 100 plus 80 plus 120 equals 300. So the gross domestic product is 300. That is the production or value-added approach to GDP. By adding the value created at each stage, we avoid double counting and capture the true output of the economy.